Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about window size. Okay, how to assess windows height and width. Okay, and its some of the properties. Okay, by using BOM methodology, browser object model methodology. Okay, so in the earlier class we had studied what BOM is. Okay, in this class we will discuss some of the examples related to BOM. So in the first one, window size. Okay, window size, we all already know this. What is window size means? So if we are doing it every time while we are using internet, friends, right? Sorry. So for minimizing the window, maximizing the window, browser's window. Okay, so we will open some 2 3 browser windows and accessing different websites, and we will resize that 2 3 windows and keep 2 3 windows simultaneously visible to us, like that, right? All those stuff we are doing in our daily lives. Okay, so in order to access the height of the browser window and the width of the browser window by using JavaScript, what we should do, that we will see in this class. So two properties can be used to determine the size of the browser window. So both properties written the size in pixels. Okay, pixel means what? Picture element. Okay, a dot on the screen. So that properties is windows dot inner height and windows dot, this is not windows but it is window. Let me correct it. Okay, so window dot inner height and window dot inner width. So what these properties will return is, it will return the height of the browser window, current browser window which is active, and similarly the width of the current active window it will give. Okay, so uh, in which units it will give? Pixels, right? So these are the very concise code, and we have also other JavaScript codes for doing the same functional difference. So let us discuss about it. Example, we will access the browser's window height and width by using this code also. Document element dot client height. Very big code, right? Document element dot client width. So very huge lines, like a sentence. Or because for different browsers are there, no, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and then Chrome, like that different explorers we are using. People are not only using a single browser, it they are using so many web browsers for different things, right? So uh, some codes will compatible with some set of browsers. Okay, and the other set is document dot body dot client height and body dot client width. This code is also will do the same thing. Or if you want to if you don't know in which browser the user will use, then you can make of, or you can make compound statements like window dot inner width or window dot document element dot client width or document dot body dot client width. So compound statement we can do like this, and we will store that value in the variable, one of the variable, like that. Height also we will store in the variable, and then we will alert, or we can document dot write it that value to see the windows height and width. Similarly, we have some methods called window dot open method, window dot close method, window dot move to method, window dot resize to method. All these methods are related to window object. Okay, open means it will open new window, close means it will close the current window. Window move to means it will move the current window to the specified portion of the screen. Okay, and resize to will resize the current window to our specified length, and that means width and height. Okay, so let us see all these things in practical. Let us move to the VS Code, and this is our good old HTML document is there. Now this all these tags are um, there is no work with these tags because we are dealing with BOM now. Okay, so let us first discuss about the how to know how to access the browser. This is browser, right? So this is the browser. There is Chrome browser. Width means what? From left side to right side. This total area is width. Height is this one. From top to bottom is height. Browser height. How much height the window is? How much width the window is? So if you want to know that, you can do like this. So what? Window. I am using simple method. Window dot inner width. Okay, so inner width. So this will assess the width of the window, and we need to store in some of the variable, one of the variable. So I will store it in w variable, like that, where h is equal to window dot inner height. Okay, height. So it will give the height of the window. Now if you want to see that, now what we will do, document dot write method we will take, and window height or width, first width is like that, string concatenation will go. Then now document dot write one break, we will take one break, br. Next, document dot write, okay, window height is, right, is, then string concatenation h. Okay, now what it will do, this piece of code will do is, it will directly go to the window and access the width and height and store in the corresponding variables, and then we are making that value to display onto the screen. Okay, like this. First let me expand this. This is the total width and height. Now let me save this one. I am pressing Ctrl S, saving. Now you can see here this will come. Window width is 1536. Okay, and then document window height. Why it is not appearing here? Let me now it is coming. window width is 1536, that is total from left to the right how many pixels are there means 1536, and the height of the window is from here to here. Okay, that is 760 pixels. That is the height of the window and the width of the window, right? Or we will take it as in a paragraph so that okay, no need, you just understand the concept, that's it. Okay, and then what? So window dot open, so it will open in new window, friends. Let me write it. This part I am erasing. So window dot open. So just I will I had given only this little bit of code. What it will do, you can see. Just I am saving now. You can see here a new window will open. Here you can see a new tab is opened. Due to what? We had used window dot open method. If you refresh, if you save it again, it will open again a new window. So for refreshing this one, the server, the inbuilt server which is running here, 1 minute, I will show. Here port 5500, on that port our server is running, right? So if you save that one, that server will restart and reloaded this document bom.html. So again this script will run, again that window will open. That is the process which is happening behind the screens. Here you can see. And if you want to open a page, particular page, now we will see some pages are there here, HTML pages like node.html, python.html, like that. So if you want to open that one, python.html, we can give like this also. Now that particular page will open. If you save it, here you can see hello, I am Python. That page was opened. Sorry, like that. Okay, and so if you want to specify the how much width and height this particular page will occupy, then you can mention that thing also. Width is equal to some say 200, and height is equal to some 300. We'll make this python.html like that. For here, and that will be, we will declare one variable here like my window. Okay, and here we'll mention that variable my window. Okay, my window, that size. Now I am closing all the windows which I had opened. Now see, I am opening it. Here you can see now the window is opened in the, not in the separate tab, but the separate window itself is opened, and it come up and tell that python.html is opened as a my window. Is a new window. Okay, new window of width 200 pixel and height is what, 300 pixel. If you change it, it will change 500. I am saving. Now I am saving it. Now you can see the width was increased from 200 to 500 pixels width, and height is 300. So like that we will make it as a information boxes like that. Okay, so that is Windows Open functionality. And if you want, let me, okay, if you want to close this window, you can simply call close method, simple close method, and if you save it, it will go. I mean the active window will be disappeared. Here I am stopping it. I am making it go live now. Oh, sorry. Right, go live. Yeah, why it is closing means we had stated that window close method, that's why. So soon after opening it, the window itself is closing. Okay, now open. Right, now just it is very funny. Now I am so the page was loaded, python.html is also loaded like here. Okay, now if you want to close this one, okay, just close, that's it. Save. Here the main window itself is closing. So the for close method you can use this close. Okay, and then move to means we will open a window and then we will move a particular window to specified position. Let us see it. Let me insert some 2 buttons here. Okay, button id is equal to some btn 1. Okay, and type is equal to button, and then on click is equal to will open win. Okay, that means open window function will execute, right? And then okay, let me maximize this so that slash button. Okay, it was already came. Okay, now we will give open new window. Okay, I am making a copy of this. Now the button 2, what it will do, move window, move window. Okay, now what is the idea means if you click this button, one new window will open, and then if you click this particular button, that window will be moved. For that purpose we will develop some functions, right? JavaScript functions we will define. Okay, let us define it. Function what, open win, and then document, no need of document, just simple window or we'll make use of my window. My window where is already declared. Okay, window dot open method with open method, so which I had already stated here like this. Okay, right. So if you click this one, let me comment it. Oh, sorry. Let me comment it out. First open. Let me show the source code equivalent web page here so that you will understand it. Stopping the server, making the okay. Now the page has comes up. So this is the open new window button for this code, and for this code, for 22nd line of code, move window. Okay, if you click this one, new window will open. If you click this move window button, then that window will move to some other place. That is the idea. For that we are developing one function. Okay, so let us do it. now now it is active. Now save. If I click this one, then on click event occurs. Eventually the openWin function will execute. So openWin function is declared here, and the bit of code is window.open, the python.html, my window, and the width and height is specified. Okay, now if I give like this, if I click like this, it has opened, right, with the what, 500 width, 300 height. Okay, now okay, 1 minute, I will open this one. Okay, now if I click the other move window, now there is no action being called for, so we need to declare one more function for that, move win. Okay, and then my window is equal to just window dot move method will make use of window dot move to. Okay, see here our ID is helping us. So x-axis how much of pixels you want to move, and y-axis, that means height, how many pixels you that window should move. Okay, so I am mention it as say 400 comma some 300. Now what will happen, let me see. Okay, now I am clicking it, so it is appearing now. If I click this one, 1 minute, here it is coming like that. Now some 600, 200. Okay, now I am rebooting it. Okay, move window, move in. Okay, move in is bit of window dot move to. Some part I am going mistaken, guys. I think it is not needed. This is also not needed. Window dot move to. Right. I had made a mistake that this object, this opened window object, I need to store in a variable. Then I will call, okay, my window, that I need to put here, okay, because the open window itself is an object that was stored in this variable, and then based on that open window should be moved to the position which I have specified here, right? Okay, now open, here it has open and moved. So when I click this move, the open window is coming here, you can see. Now I am pressing again open new window, move. Let me reload the page. Now open, so here it has opened already. Move window. Now it was moved to the screen 600 to 200 like this, okay. So earlier it was in this position. Now after clicking this one, it has coming automatically to the specified x and y coordinates, okay. So that is the concept, friends. And same resize to is also the same terminology, resize to, okay. You can to resize we can do like this. Now here you can see first when I let me open the window, okay. Here it is there. 1 minute, I will restart the server to take effect, okay. Freshly I am open the window, okay. The window is 500 pixels long and 300 pixels wide, right? So here I had given like this, and now what I am doing, I am resizing the window to the specified width and height. Now where is that one? Here is that one. Now if you click this one, the window is resized. Here you can see the resize. Okay friends, this is the concept. So we can make the browser manipulations with the BOM concept. So we had saw the client, inner height, inner width, open method, close method, move to method, resize to method also. Okay friends, in the next class we will discuss some more properties. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.